Make make me in survival mode. I think I could do it.
Gosh, game mode.
You do it for
Survival.
me, just to let me do it. Make me survival mode, could run away from me. But you have to be an ender dragon or a human.
No, you can be anything if you want to. You just have to make it obvious.
Wait, if I can't become anything. Do I have to kill stuff to become stuff?
Yeah. Hopefully I find a flying thing.
What? How I make a transfer to animals?
Forgot to give me myself ammo.
Ammo? Well, I'm not ready. I tried to kill a cow. Yeah, I killed a cow. It didn't work. You said I had to kill it, right? Oh, okay. I need to kill this. Hold on, I'm killing stuff. Hey, can you give me a netherite sword so I can kill stuff?
No.
What the hell can become stuff?
Oh no.
Hey, I'm not ready if you're wondering.
Oh yeah, I found a bee. Hey, I can fly now.
Oh, you know, not to become anything out of my props. You only can become an ender dragon
Yeah, well I didn't kill the Ender Dragon yet, so yeah, you got no chance.
well, yeah, you could be a bee or a human.
Yeah, bee.
I'm surprised you can't find me yet.
You're ready?
No. I told you I wasn't ready.
I saw that you were avoiding the portals. I was like, oh no, nah.
Okay, well, give me a chance. Give me a minute to run. Oh,
Wait,
give
is
me a
that
minute
you?
to run. Yeah, I was the one running around.
So if I point this in your head, then you die. No. Okay. Come here, sheepy.
Okay, well, you can
I'm gonna
chase us
teleport you.
down. Remember, I could be a block too.
I know. Look at the black sheep. Wait, why is everything flying? Why are there flying cities? No, I can get a pig. Come here, little buddy boy.
Wait a second. Oh my goodness.
Ah, I got salmon.
Salmon? Where
Yeah,
are
I can
you?
turn it into fish. Oh, I'm not. I'm out of the city waiting for you.
Out of the city? Oh, I'm ready.
All right. Oh, no, this is hilarious. Just a bee flying around with an RPG.
I can't
You
see
like
that.
jazz? You like jazz? You like jazz?
No. Isn't that you right there, that floating pea just looking around?
Yeah, with
Do
an
a
RPG.
360. Do a 360. That's definitely you. Ah, that was pretty close. Well, you're cold. You're cold away from me. That's your hint. You're cold. But this one thing though, I could become a pro. I could become a block too. So you never know who I am.
Yeah, you can turn into anything at any time.
Well, I decided to kill that cow. Whoa, those. If you look, there's clouds.
That's cool. Hmm. Oh, you sound like you're getting anxious, huh, buddy? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness, you're so scary.
Oh, yeah, that's right. What's that thing, Oh? Darn it. Why is there a random trap door? Oh, it's a secret bunker.
Well, I found a secret too.
Why is there a pillager outpost thing?
Oh, I see you with me. I need to run. I need to run. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I escaped. Or did I? Oh my goodness, this is scary. How do you find more secrets? Are you still inside that secret base?
Okay, so you're not a bee.
Of course not. I'm not allowed to be a flying object.
Yes, you are.
No, that's cheating. Kyle, there
No,
could
if
be
you
any
act,
sky
if
limit if
you,
I wanted to.
well, you're not. Hmm.
I'm scared.
Oh ho ho! What do we have here?
What is
Darn
it?
it! Found that you can hide under.
Why am I too big?
Oh, you're too big?
No, I try to go up, but I'm like, never mind. I can say nothing.
Mm-hmm. The same as this cow doing here. Come on.
Huh. It's turning night. You need to make it back morning. Dude, I see a sheep doing 360s. Oh wow, the explosion sounds insane.
It's weird.
What?
Nothing. Can you give me a hint?
Well, I'm I'm in the sewers still.
You're in the what?
Sewers. I'm still inside the sewers. That secret base.
Okay.
I should have ran for it.
I was like, what if he's one of the sheeps? Cause it's pretty sus if
Sheeps? Actually, I
they're just a
wasn't a sheep.
sheep.
I was a pink flower. I was trying to blend with the grass. I made myself got stuck in there. Okay, well, make me creative to start killing you.
No, I'm not in creative. Kill a bee.
Kill a bee? I
Never mind, you have to
can't.
wait.
They will kill me. Just make me
You have to
creative
kill.
so I could kill you.
No, you have to kill a bee, and it doesn't
How?
work if you kill a bee.
So how do I kill it? I'm literally a human. I can't transform into a bee. There's no more bees.
My good old RPG.
Make me creative mode. I can't even get a weapon.
Slash summon.
Where's my weapon? Where's my weapon?
You can borrow mine and shoot down that bee.
Okay, only got one rocket though. Okay, I
Good
can't
boy.
use
Now
weapons
give it back.
anymore.
Give it
Okay.
back.
Can I have an RPG?
Yeah.
Okay, give me an RPG. With a bunch of bullets. Ooh.
There.
Oh,
Whenever
okay.
you're done, turn back into
Okay,
survivor mode.
I gotta be up here. There's like sheep chilling up here. Well, I'll go. You can start hiding away.
All right. We should play a series where we can turn into blocks and um blocks and animals.
Oh, where's the weapons? What is this? Interesting. Okay. So
I'll
where's
give you a hint. I am still not in the. I'm not in the sewers.
Well, that's not really a good one, but it's something. Um. Okay, and I get my rocket launcher. Yeah, I can't find it. So you're outside.
Uh huh.
So, give me a clue. Am I nearby you? Am I nearby you, Mr. Mind?
Honestly, I can't tell.
I'm a flying bee.
Yeah, I'm under a roof, but I'm still outside.
You're under roof, but you're outside? Under roof, but you're outside. A roof. Under roof, but you're outside. Hmm.
I see you. I
You
see
do?
you.
So you're around here, right?
No, I saw you. Now you're gone. I can't see you.
By now. How about now?
Yeah. Yeah, but I see your butt. Okay, now you see your face.
My face. See my face in this direction.
No, I'm not.
I saw a little bit block running away.
Where's my
Huh?
RPG fuel?
I had an RPG,
Great.
a minigun, and I had a death ray. Not joking, I did have a death ray. That's my minigun.
Okay, I'm gonna turn on keep inventory and let me get ready.
Okay, well, make me a survival mode. Make me a survival mode.
Do / game mode survival.
It doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for me, Mr. Mine.
Oh,
Yeah, make me a survival.
there, I gave you operator. Now you can do it.
Yeah, fly as a bee. That sucks. This time to be a
Oh,
block.
okay, that's your hint. So no, that's not a good hint. Give me another one.
Um, kind of inside of a building.
Okay. Hey, after this, I want to play a survival world of this. And like security craft and stuff. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be Minecraft, but we can morph into stuff.
Ooh.
No! I would have shot you.
See scenery. Yes. I was too busy having fun. I was exploring around.
No, I'll give you a second chance.
Yay! Can you become an ender dragon? Spawn an ender dragon and then kill it? Cause it's so hard to see you. Like I don't even notice you were with me. I was just too busy.
No.
Aw.
Well then, how am I gonna go inside of stuff?
It's a rocket launcher. I'm joking. Okay, just be a bee. Okay. Well, I'm ready.
Okay. Just give me a hint.
Okay.
Hint.
Oh, hey, right now? I'm nearby. I'm like right next to a building. That's the worst it's ever. Huh.
Can you see me right now?
Not really. I only see you like your eyeballs. That's all. It's hard. Had to be in like a weird direction. Oh. Okay.
That scare you?
Oh. Oh.
Why is there a bed and a bed right next to each other?
I don't know. It been there.
I thought that was you. Are
Actually,
you an
would be.
object or
I'm
are
on the
you an
ground.
object?
I'm on the
Oh.
ground. That's a good hint because if I told you what I was, you would really know what I am.
Why is there a flower on the okay, let's say. What color building are you at close to?
I'm.
Last hint.
What is it?
That's the last hint. Where are you?
Where I am? What do you mean where I am?
Yeah, like what building are you close to?
I'm close to like a old tall building.
There's three of them.
Reason why? Because I need to hide away from you.
Hmm. That's true. Okay, that's enough. Why did that make you scared?
No. Ooh, I found a secret. That's small. Hey, cheater!
No, I'm
You
looking
can't
for a
cheat.
secret. I can't see you in this mode.
Then why are you spectator mode? I can't see you then.
Cause I'm looking for a secret.
Never mind. It's not really a secret, just a hole I was in. Oh, never mind. I found the other secret, but it's just other sewers.
It's like another what?
Sewer.
Oh.
Ooh, this is a good spot. Let me tell you something. I'm going to have something very small. Not very small, but we can. That sound like me by. But I don't have that much view and inside of a and something small, but like a normal average thing in real life.
Can you find it in a house?
It's not in that house. It's outside. It's small and it's just some of it outside.
Water?
No. Actually, just gave me other hideout. I can move my place now. I was telling you something. Actually, I was hiding inside a car. Now I'm gone. Hiding water is actually a pretty good one, but not good enough. Plus, there's like no water here, anyways, except the sewers.
Yeah, true. Hmm.
Become a. Oh. So loud. No idea what it were because I can't become a zombie. Brother, that scares me. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. In the tallest, one of the tallest buildings. Interesting. What should I morph into? Oh my. Oh my goodness. I'm so intelligent. Intelligent.
You won.
Yay!
You're a bee?
Yeah, I was just on the ground the whole entire time like this. I was just dragging my body on the ground.
That's cheating. You can't go inside of blocks.
No, I was dragging my body on the ground. Oh my goodness. Look.
Oh.
You don't believe me? Look, see? I've just been doing this.
No, let's just play a morph mod. But we're gonna have a big mod pack with it.
No, well, that'll be the
So
end
what
of the
mod?
video here, so make sure to like, subscribe.